Friends, this is a master problem on single column cash book. I hope that you have gone through the question. If you have not gone through the question, please go through the question carefully and concentrate on the explanations here. Friends, the first item is your single column cash book. In a single column cash book, only the cash transactions are recorded. Credit transactions are not recorded and all other transactions are not recorded. Only cash inflow and cash outflow. How the cash comes, that is debited, and how the cash goes out, this is your credited. In this question, the first one is your cash in hand. This is the opening balance on December. This is the opening balance on December and this is 25,000. So this is written on the debit side of the cash book as it is a favorable balance. Right? Because it is not a overdraft balance. If it is a cash in cash book, only single column cash book, there cannot be a overdraft balance. This is a favorable balance and it is written in the debit side of the cash book. The next one is your cash sale. Cash sale is 40,000, CGST 6% and SGST 6%. Friends, if you have pen and paper, please write the journal entry. This is a cash sale. The sale amount is 40,000 and output CGST is 6%. 40,000 into 6%, it comes to your 2,400. SGST also 2,400, 6%. The journal entry will be cash account debit to sales 40,000, to output CGST 2,400, to output SGST 2,400. This is the journal entry. So cash account is debited with 44,800 to sales, to output CGST, to output SGST. So cash is debited, therefore we have to go to the cash, we have to go to the debit side, we have to write all the other entries, that is your sales, output CGST, output SGST, all these things we have to write it here. So this is your cash sale, so cash is debited. In case of sale, it is output CGST. In case of purchase, it is input CGST. Receipt from X on behalf of Y. So receipt from X on behalf of Y. That means the amount is receivable from Y, but X is sending the money on behalf of Y. So our journal entry will be say X is the agent of Y. So X name will not come. Only Y's name will come. And money is coming to the business. So cash account debited to Y account. This is your 4,000 on December 4. Right? Then another one is your paid to Sompal, rupees 4,900. So when somebody is paying to the other person is debited. Sompal account debit to cash, paid to Sompal. Sompal is the receiver. The money is being paid to Sonpal. So Sonpal account debit to cash. Here cash account is credited. Therefore, by Sompal, the other account is the Sompal. So Sompal is credit, cash account is credited, and in the credit side we are writing Sompal 4,900. Then the next one is discount receipt 100. So discount receipt will not come. That means Sompal is paid 4,900 plus 100, total 5,000. Friends, the journal entry will be, you can write Sompal account debit 5,000 to cash 4,900 to discount receive 100. The discount receive will not come in the cash single column cash book. Therefore, only Sompal is written on the credit side of the cash book. Then it is coming 12th December, receipt from Bijoy Kumar 7,800 and discount allowed 200. So when money is coming, this is cash is debit. So journal entry, you friends, you can write cash account debit, that is 7,800, discount allowed account debit 200 to Bijoy Kumar rupees 8,000, cash account debit 7,800, discount allowed account debit 200 to cash 8,000. So cash account is debited by 7,800. So we will go to the cash book. We will write the Bijoy Kumar, that is 7,800. Right? Then we are coming to your bought goods for cash. CGST 6%, SGST 6%. Bought goods for cash. That means it is a purchase. And the purchase is for 20,000. So when the goods are purchased, it is called input GST, input CGST, input SGST. Friends, the journal entry will be, you can write on December 20, purchase account debit 20,000, input CGST debit 1200, input SGST debit 1200 to cash account, because it is a cash purchase. So that, let me again tell you the journal entry: purchase account debit, input CGST debit 1200, input SGST debit 1200 to cash account. So cash account is credited, therefore in the credit side we write purchase, we write the input CGST, we write the input SGST, right? Then this is on December 20th. Then let us come to paid cartage. CGST 6%, SGST 6%, 1,000. So same is the case, cartage account debit 1,000. This is on December 21, cartage account debit 1,000. Inputs CGST 66% and input SGST, this is also 66% to cash account. So friends, again I am telling you the journal entry: cash cartage account debit 1,000, input CGST 60, input SGST 60 to cash account. Cash is credited, money is going out. This is an outflow of cash, therefore it is credit entry. Here cartage, input CGST, input SGST. Then friends, the next one is you remitted to Dharamveer 1,880 and discount allowed by him, that is discount received. So we are paying to Dharambir 1880 and discount received 120. So what will be the journal entry? Dharambir account debit, that is 2000, to cash 1880, to discount receive 120. So the journal entry is like this: Dharambir account debit 2000, to cash 1880, to discount receive 120. Friends, the discount receive will not come. Cash is credited by rupees 1880. So in the cash book on the credit side we are writing on this particular date 1880, right? Then we are coming to receipt from MO from Mohan, rupees 500. So we are getting money from Mohan, cash account debit to Mohan. This is on 25th December. Cash account debit, go to the cash book debit side and write Mohan 500. Then we are going to borrow from Mahabir 7500. This is a loan from Mahabir. Cash account debited to Mahabir loan account. So on the debit side of the cash book we are writing to Mahabir loan account 7500, right? Then we are going to receipt from Bhushan 3900 and allowed discount 100. So when we are getting 3900, the cash account is debited with rupees 3900. This is 3900. This is Bhushan, and discount allowed is 100. Discount allowed and discount received both will not come in the single column cash book. So in the cash book debit side we write 3900, right? Paid to Lalit 2700 in full settlement of the account of 3000. So we are paying to Lalit 2700. This is Lalit account debit 3000, to cash. This is Lalit account to cash 2700, right? And to discount receive 300. The discount receive will not come, and on 31st of December, that is Lalit cash account is credited and it is showing on the credit side of the cash account Lalit 2700. Then received 9500 from Soham and allowed discount 500. So cash is debited with 9500. Cash debit 9500, discount allowed 500 to Soham 10,000. So cash account is debited with 9500. Therefore, we will go to the debit side of the cash book, write the 9500. Okay, this completes your entry. Now we will to make a total of the debit side. The total of the debit side of the cash column as we have taken, it is 1,03,500. From 1,03,500 we will deduct all these things, all these items in the credit side, and the balancing figure, friends, the balancing figure is 70,000. This is the balance which will be continued to the next period. So by balance CD 70,000 and on 1st January 2017 it is brought down as 70,000. So friends, this is a single column cash book with continuing with input CGST, input SGST and output CGST, output SGST. If you go through this account, write down the question, go through the explanation, and you will see the problem is quite interesting. So if you like my video, please subscribe and offer your valuable comments, which will go way, long way to make different changes, and hope I will be seeing you in the next class. Thank you all.